Hello, this is Kerslake, and today I want to talk about one of the perils with affirmations, if you use them, and I certainly used to use them all the time, and also why because it's a related thing, why we focus on the negative in tapping. Now, affirmations, it's that time of year, and really any time I used to love affirmations and have them plastered everywhere. I'd have them in my journal, I'd have them around the place, and it's quite beautiful. And we used to get told all the time, focus on the positive. Now, one of the problems with affirmations is that we've all got this inner critic. So let's say your affirmation is, I'm amazing. And when we say that, often we've got this little voice, particularly if we've got some limiting beliefs around that says, no, you're not. You did this, or you haven't done that, or so-and-so did it quicker. So, we've got this, our beautiful affirmation is drowned out by these negative voices. Now, having said that, it can be a beautiful way that you can tease out what your limiting beliefs are around that, and so that you can clear them with a beautiful tool such as EFT or tapping. Now, while we're talking about affirmations, so I want to also mention a different type called Afformations, Afformations. So Afformations. And it's instead of saying the affirmation like I'm amazing, you frame it as a question. So why am I so amazing? Because then our subconscious mind looks for reasons why we're amazing. But if we say I'm amazing, it comes up with all these reasons why we aren't amazing. So that's why I'm not a great fan of affirmations. Because they're often drowned out by these inner critics. Now, as I say, you can either use affirmations and put it in a question, or you can just use it as a beautiful tool to bring up these limiting beliefs so that you can clear them. The other related thing I wanted to touch base on today is why we focus on the negative in tapping. And if you're someone who's been really used to, no, it must be positive, and certainly I've had client sessions where that's come up, I want to talk about why that's so important. Now, you can certainly tap on the positive, and some people well known in the tapping area do, but there's a growing lot of evidence now around what happens in our brains when we tap. And it's really, really effective if we can focus on the reality, which is whatever's negative that's coming up, whether it's, an emotion or whether it's a limiting belief, that we just say that, focus on that, and then get the intensity down with the tapping. And actually, there's changes in the brain that happen when we do that, and that's measurable with tools such as MRI. So really, really important that we write the negative down and tap on that until the intensity is 1 or less, and then bring in your positive. And it can be a really lovely thing if you're having a tapping session to finish it with a positive round and tap on the positive, that, well, I'm amazing, it's going to be safe, etc. But if you bring that positive in too early, you won't have cleared that limiting belief. So it's a real trap. And certainly I always say tap until the intensity on whatever you're tapping on, whether it's a limiting belief, an emotion, situation, whatever it is 1 out of 10 or less. So hopefully that's been helpful, talking about affirmations, Afformations, and why we tap on the negative. And any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Okay, that's it from me, and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.